educator.
How are you, learner? Today we are going to learn chemistry, and our topic for today is acid, bases, and indicators. In that topic, we are going to learn about simple acid-base indicator. And by the end of the lesson, you as my learner, you're supposed to know how to define an acid, define a base, and define an indicator. And also you're also expected to identify the occurrences of acids from the environment. And also you're also required to prepare and use plant extract as acid-base indicator. And we know the food that we eat have a sour taste. Others, they are bitter. The sour taste is due to presence of the acids, while the bitter taste is due to presence of the base. Therefore, we need to know how to define acids and bases. And the definitions of acids and bases depends on their reactions. E.g., if we want to define an acid, we have three definitions. The first definition of an acid is a substance that turns blue litmus paper to red. I mean, a blue litmus paper changes to red, that's an acid. 2 is a substance that reacts with a base to give salt and water only. A substance that reacts with a base to give salt and water only. And number 3 is a substance that dissolves in water and produce hydrogen ions as the only positively charged ion. Meaning, if it dissolves in water, no other positively charged ion is produced apart from hydrogen ion. Then a base, the definition of a base, it is a substance that turns red litmus paper blue. Any substance that turns red litmus paper to blue, it's a base. Or it is a substance that reacts with an acid to give salt and water only. A substance that reacts with a base, an acid, to give salt and water only. Then, still we have another definition of a base. A base is also a substance that dissolves in water. And produce hydroxide ions as the only negatively charged ion. Meaning, any substance that dissolves in water and gives hydroxide ions as the only negatively charged ion, we can call it a base. Then what's an indicator? An indicator is a substance that shows whether another substance is a base. And remember, a base is also an alkaline, or an acid, or neutral, meaning any substance that shows, that can be able to classify substances as either a base, an acid, or neutral, we can call it an indicator. Similarly, we can say also an indicator is a substance that shows different colors in acids, in bases, and also in neutral solutions. Therefore, we have those definitions of acids, bases, and indicators. Therefore, we have naturally occurring acids. These are the acids that occurs in our environment. If you take a fruit, any ripe citrus fruit, we can get a citric acid from inside. Any grape that you take, we can get a tartaric acid. In our sour milk, the milk that we take in our home, it contains lactic acid. contains lactic acid. Then in vinegar, we use vinegar in our homes. It contains what? Ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid. And also butanoic acid is found in cheese.